Okay, so now we're going to jump into the Amazon S3 service and create a bucket that we're going to upload our website to. So again, go to Services and S3. And we need to create a bucket. Now we're going to give the bucket a name that is the same name as our domain name. So the domain name that I got was thedevkid.com, so you put your domain name in there for the bucket name. Make sure that you use the US East region, and we'll click on Next, and we'll leave everything there as it is. We're not going to be doing anything with that. We just use the defaults. Now we're going to make this public. So we go into here and we say grant public read access to this bucket. So it's going to be a website, so we want people to be able to read it. And we do not change anything else. Click on Next. And just review that, and that is fine. And we'll click on Create Bucket. Now once we've created our bucket, we can now look at uploading our website over to that bucket. So we need to have a website to upload. So a good place to go is to html5up.net, html5up.net. If you go there, they've got heaps of really good website templates there that are HTML5 that really look quite nice. So I'm just going to download one of these, just this massively one, that looks fine. Okay, so once that's downloaded, just extract it somewhere and we can upload that to our bucket. After our website has uploaded, we can then look at enabling static website hosting on this website, and we'll hopefully be able to see a website. So let's go to Properties tab and we click on Static Website Hosting, and the one we want there is use this bucket to host a website, and we put in our index.html document. And we also put in our error document. So if you've got an error document there, in case there's any 404 errors or anything like that, it'll go directly to that error page. Otherwise, just put in index.html. But you need to put something in there, otherwise you won't be able to click Save. And we click on Save. Now once that's done and set up, we can go back into that static website hosting again, and we can see up the top here we've got an endpoint. So that's the endpoint for this static website. So if we click on that, we should get this website up. And it's looking good. It's coming up massively by HTML5 up, which looks good. And there is the website that we downloaded from HTML5 up, and it's come up there quite nicely. Not a problem. Now that brings us to the end of this part of the lab. And coming up next, we're going to be creating an SSL certificate using the AWS Certificate Manager. And that will enable us to be able to have encrypted traffic to our website, and we'll have a HTTPS domain that we can use there. So I'll see you in the next one.